First open Start and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Copy the text that you'll find in the description of this video. Right-click the white frame and select Edit. Select Paste. Now press Enter. Type Exit and then press Enter. Now restart. If that didn't work, open Start and type msconfig. Open System Configuration. Go to the Services tab. Select Hide all Microsoft services. Now click on Disable All. Go to the Startup tab. Click on Open Task Manager. Right-click your services and select Disable. Close the Task Manager window. Press Apply and then OK. Press Restart.